What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to help you to prevent your house from catching on fire, you guys. So one of the main reasons, or one of the reasons, I'm not going to say the main reason, but one reason that people's house catch on fire is because of their dryer vent being backed up, okay? So to prevent that, you want to, one, clean out your dryer vent. And if you have a newer style dryer, this will attach to your vacuum and then you'll be able to clean out your dryer vent. And also, I did a video where I actually cleaned the whole vent, all right, the whole vent duct for the dryer. I have a video for that. I will link that at the end of this video. But right now we are going to get into this product right here. So there you go. I will put a link in the description and let's get into it. All right. Here we go. Right here, they give you instructions, and this should be able to hook up to most of your stick vacuums. Okay, it shows you how to hook it up. So you can use your stick vacuum right there. You can use this attachment right here, one of the most popular attachments that everybody uses. And then you just put this onto your vacuum attachment and start cleaning away and save your dryer and save your energy costs too. The whole purpose of this is for your dryer to breathe. So this is plastic and silicone. All right, this is silicone attachment right here. Flip that down and put it on. Okay, so that's how you use this, and then you put this where you need to vacuum. Now you guys, you don't need to just use this for your dryer. You can use this for your car. You need to get right in between those car seats where all the fries and receipts go. All your fries and receipts. Clean out your car and all of that good stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So we have our stick vacuum right here. All right, stick vacuum. And I'm just going to show y'all how to do this just in case people don't know. All right, hook up the attachment. To put the attachment on, just squeeze it just a tad bit. Not too much, but just a tad bit, and then it will fit in. Push it in. All right, and then put your rubber over top of that. Now you can go ahead and stick this in and you should be safe. All right, you guys, so as soon as you put your dryer down, you lift up this part right here, and we don't have that much lint on there, but let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, a lot of lint is getting caught right into the grill, and it's not that much in there, but we got a good amount. All right, you guys, I have the vacuum on. And you hear it sucking, or you see it sucking. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, I'll put it to the mic. Y'all hear it sucking, right? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put it in. Make sure your line is not kinked. And we're cleaning it out. Sorry about the shadow, but y'all in the way as well. You see us cleaning it? Cleaning out my grill. All this stuff getting clean. Woo! One thing is for sure, I'm sucking up a lot of stuff. All right, you guys, and that's it. Let me show y'all the aftermath. And look at it now. Look at it now. Definitely cleaner than what it was. Try to look in there. Definitely clean. It's definitely clean. Look at this. Spick and span. Very clean, you guys. Now, the only thing I have to say is that for my attachment, I had to hold this in. Okay. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. All right. So on my attachment, once it goes in, you got to watch how you maneuver it because it will come off on you. So right now you're good if it's like this. But once you start maneuvering this thing, make sure you hold on to your attachment right here just in case. I suggest that you hold it with one hand like that and then vacuum using your other hand and just go around. All right. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.